Hello, Lullabies! Welcome to Learning Lullabies. I welcome my Lullabies again to the magical kingdom of Tastyonia, where the air is sweet and the scent of sugar and spice, and the taste buds are tantalized by the flavors of the most mouth-watering dishes you have ever imagined. Get ready to embark on a thrilling adventure with our brave and curious explorer, Timmy, as he discovers the secrets of his enchanted land. Join me on a journey that will take you on a wild ride of excitement, laughter, and learning as we explore the world of Tastyonia. In the small village of Foodville, Timmy was known for his adventurous spirit and love for trying new foods. One day, while exploring the village market, he stumbled upon a mysterious portal hidden behind a stack of juicy watermelons. As he stepped through the shimmering portal, he found himself in the magical kingdom of Tastyonia. The kingdom was a wonderland of culinary delights, with rolling hills of fluffy rice, sparkling lakes of fruit salad, and towering mountains of creamy ice cream. Timmy's eyes widened as he explored the kingdom, meeting a cast of colorful food characters along the way. There was Pete, the pizza, with a penchant for bad jokes and a heart of gold. Sophia, the sweet and gentle cake, who became Timmy's trusted guide, and Professor Pecan, a wise old nut who taught Timmy about the art of flavor and cooking. However, their fun was short-lived as the notorious Dr. Bland, a villainous chef with a taste for the bland and boring, stole the magical spice of flavor, a precious ingredient that brought joy and excitement to every dish in Tastyonia. Without the spice of flavor, the kingdom's food began to lose its magic. The pizzas became plain and boring. The cakes turned dry and tasteless, and the soups lost their savory flavor. The food friends were devastated, and it was up to Timmy and his new friends to save the day. Together, they embarked on a thrilling quest to defeat Dr. Bland and retrieve the stolen spice of flavor. Along the way, they encountered fierce creatures like the broccoli beasts and the onion oats. But with their combined bravery and culinary skills, they overcome every obstacle. Finally, they reached Dr. Bland's fortress, a towering castle made of stale crackers and bland bread. The final battle was intense, with Timmy and using all their wits and cooking skills to outsmart the villainous chef. In the end, they emerged victorious, retrieving the spice of flavor and restoring the magic to the kingdom. The food friends celebrated with a grand feast, and Timmy was hailed as a hero. As they returned to his own world, he carried with him the memories of his amazing adventure and the secret to making any dish delicious. A pinch of love, a dash of imagination, and a whole lot of flavor. And so, we came to the end of this great adventure lullabies. Our adventure in Tastyonia comes to an end, but the memories of our journey will stay with us forever. Timmy learned that with a pinch of love, a dash of imagination, and a whole lot of flavor, even the most ordinary dishes can become extraordinary. And we learned that with bravery, friendship, and a sense of wonder, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. Join me next time on Learning Lullabies for more exciting stories, fun facts, and delicious adventures that will make your taste buds tingle and your heart smile. Keep smiling, lullabies. Bye bye.